Good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Interesting day yesterday. We got Amazon news. It appears to be reasonable. But why did Andy Jassy say nothing was really getting better, or his team? And then on the call, he changed his tune. So things where Sam does differently, and he speculates. Did he get a call from Bezos and said, "What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? You come out with good results and you say stupid stuff. Why not say nothing or say, yeah, things are getting okay? Doesn't mean it doesn't get worse. Just means you don't have to be an idiot." See, this is the problem with people. There are smart people and there are people not so smart. The Facebook CFO, well, things are getting soft. Why would you even say that if it's like 2 weeks soft? And let's talk reality here. And anybody that doesn't understand this reality needs to have their brain examined. Let's say something happens and we launch an attack against Iran in the middle of the night. Do you think everybody that's doing ads on Twitter and YouTube say, oh, let's just keep spending money? Or do they say, just slow it down for a couple days? And this is standard reaction. Doesn't mean it's good, doesn't mean it's bad, just it's standard reaction. That's what you expect. Okay? So just understand the comments, don't really believe them either way. And we do so good. Think about Microsoft yesterday. Now, one thing I will talk about Microsoft is very, very interesting. Here's going down. Here's the thing. Why wasn't it going to go down to below than what it popped up? It was. And then the market got better. And think about how they saved stuff yesterday. NVIDIA hits 400, it breaks, and then it pops 12. Amazing, right? Amazing. And then right back down near the end. Okay? And Microsoft, I mean, this is very interesting. So we bought them at 40 cents, sold them at 2. They were actually only went to 220, so very nice. We rolled down. And people, you will fail if you don't learn to play both sides. That's the market you have. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Okay? SMCI, we buy it at 80 cents, it goes to 250. Maybe you sell it, maybe you don't. That's up to you. Why did Sam buy Microsoft calls? Because if Amazon was good, in theory, Microsoft should go to 342 today. It should, because if Amazon, if they start believing that it's real and it's good, then why wouldn't Microsoft be good too? Because their cloud was good and it would go back to 342. Now, I don't know if it's going to. If it's not, because we hit Syria last night. So there's an issue of, does something happen over the weekend? It's very possible. Let's say something happens and Iran comes in or Russia comes in. Remember, war is bullish if it's going to be a fast war. War is very bearish if the whole world's going to get involved in a world war. Because then you have nukes and all this other shit to worry about. Okay? So just understand that. But the Microsoft play was so simple. Because if Amazon is good, Microsoft should run back to the high. If Amazon is bad, then it's going to hit the lows. And today, does SPX puts work? I don't know. Okay? So it's okay not to know. But then you chill and you go slow. Okay? Interesting. Today is very straightforward. Comments are the same. If NVIDIA breaks 400, we're going to implode. If the PCE, and the PCE may be a bit higher here, let's see. If the PCE is way up and rates break 5%, we're going to implode. If it doesn't, it pops. Tesla, we played it a little bit different yesterday. We sold the Tesla 200s because it wasn't breaking. It was strong. So we got out of those at a double plus, right? And then got out of the other ones at almost a double plus. Okay? But watch Amazon today. If Amazon goes negative, we're going to go negative. Everything's going to go down. Nothing is great. CMG says, oh, we didn't really raise prices, but we raised prices. But really hilarious to me. Inflation is not coming down. So way back when, I remember something very, very clear. So when you have a baby, you have to buy diapers. And they put 64 packs into a small diaper. 64 diapers. And then 2 years later, you have another baby, and you got to buy diapers. And there's only 50 in the same pack. The price is the same, but there's only 50. Move forward 10 years, and there's only 40 in the same pack. Now there's only 30 in the same pack. The price is the same. The price is the same. So they sit there and they say, we didn't raise prices, but you have less than half in the same pack. This is what they're doing with cereal. This is what they're doing with cookies. This is what they're doing with everything. And they think you're an idiot. And half the people are idiots. So I understand that. It's okay to call people idiots if they're idiots. Okay? Just understand that. Because in reality, the world has changed. People that say it like it is now do great. Look at the people on Spotify and all this stuff. They do tremendous. People don't care. Oh my God, you got to be, you got to wear a suit and tie. Zuckerberg threw that thing out the window. Wall Street and all this stuff. Look, the reality of the world is people want to hear things and know things exactly how it is. It is what it is. Don't beat around the bush. Think about all these people that do these morning calls. It's so hilarious. They say, oh, look at this. Well, this is here, this is here, and that's it. And they don't even tell you up or down. They don't even make a comment. Okay? Then the other thing yesterday, Mike Mahaney, just reason I'm doing this is because this number is coming in a minute. Mike Mahaney comes out and says, oh, we did a channel check. So channel check means you called up all these customers and asked them for information. So if you called up 1,000 people that are customers of AWS and you got an answer, did you spend more money, less money, did you add, whatever, you have an opinion. If you don't have an opinion after you do a channel check, why are you doing a channel check? Fire all those people. You don't need them. And then, if you don't have an opinion, you're an idiot. Mike Mahaney, an idiot. He's like, oh, well, what we're hearing from our checks, this is what we're hearing. Here's PCE. Hold on. Give me a minute. PCE is coming, so hold on. Here we go. Personal income 0.3%. That's a miss on the 0. Income went lower. Expenditures, wow, big jump there. 0.7%. That's a spending went up. Expectation of 0.5. On the important price indices, headline at 0.4, and exclude energy at 0.3. So that is right in line. That's the one. So right in line, nothing big. Okay. So, so just understand that that's going on. If you do something and it's not worth anything and you don't get an opinion out of it, don't do it. Okay? And the next thing is if you don't trust the people that are doing it, why are they working for you? Mike Mahaney. Interesting. He goes, well, we don't know, but we think Amazon is doing good, but it may not be this quarter, maybe next quarter. That means all those people lied to you. Why are you doing channel checks? See, but this is funny because all these companies come out and they said, oh, we channel checked, iPhones aren't selling in China. They randomly called up, 500,000 people. People call me up all the time and say, Sam, and you don't know these people, and it's all these spam calls. Can we get your opinion on this? Yeah, who do you like? Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, well, I like this one. You just make up shit. You never tell them the right stuff. It's hilarious to me. It's just meaningless. But very, very simple, okay? So just understand, here SPX. Now, here's the thing, and this is the tell today. I mean, these are two very simple tells. If NVIDIA gets through 416, and it was 421 yesterday and then went to 400. If it gets to 416, that would be a positive. Okay? That would be a positive. Okay? If the market is real, Microsoft should be over 342. Why? Because they had these great earnings too. If Microsoft goes under 328, be careful on the SPX. Okay? That's what I know. That's what I know. Okay? Okay, let's get started. SPX is probably up on this because they like it. So yeah, it's up 19. Okay? So you got SPX 4172, 4191, 4200, and very straightforward. 4100 break. If 4100 breaks, we can. Okay? News is news. Is Amazon's news real? I don't know because he changed his tune. You can't come out and say, oh, we're seeing stabilization, and then say, oh, we're seeing acceleration. He's lying. Very straightforward. Okay? SPX up 20, so let's say 41.57. Okay? So about 20, 25 up and about 50 down. Let's see what happens. Avago held nicely, came back. Do they close the deal? If they close the deal, they're saying it's 20% accretive. Do they close it? I don't know. Does something happen in the weekend? I don't know. Okay? Upside, 880, 916. Downside, 800, 781. NVIDIA, 416, 422. 416, 422. Downside, 400, 391. Adobe, 531. Downside, 509. Lam Research, 603, 621. Downside, 581. Meta, 300, 306, 309. Underneath, 281. MicroStrategy, all about Bitcoin. Rumors on BlackRock going to buy Bitcoin into the 31st, maybe not. I have no idea. I like the 450. 450, a very hard number, but he can't pay more. Last week, 30 points out of the money. 30 points out of the money, we're buying for about $1. 30 points out of the money right now, $9. Think about it. You're paying 9 times the same price. Really? Interesting. Lilly lower. Wow. 561, 552, 603. They will give an update on it when they have approval. They have earnings next week. MDB a little bit stronger. 342, 351. Underneath is 308. Different number. 308. Snowman 149, 151. Amazon 132. That's where it was after Microsoft reported. 132. So if it's real, 132. If it drops under 123, they're going to take the whole market negative probably. SMCI 351 will move as NVIDIA moves. Under 236. ENPH missed. I actually like First Solar puts for next week all the way down to the 135s. We'll take a look on those. Everybody in solar is missing. Why wouldn't First Solar go back to $70? NOW, if this is real, this up is real, then NOW, which traded at 579 yesterday, should go back to 579. If it doesn't even get 570, be aware. Microsoft, 336, 341. Tesla is a short on every real decent pop. Okay? Over time, it's going to go way lower. And that's what we know. Let me go to comments. Questions here. Comments, questions. Restaurants here in Wichita have been cutting portion sizes, raising prices. Absolutely. We've been fighting here for 10 years. Those strikes are nothing. I understand that. It's just doing the strikes and reporting it on the front page. It's on the front page of a lot of these, like Yahoo and all this other stuff. It makes people look into it, and everybody doesn't always know stuff. So when you don't know stuff, people sell. Okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great, great trading day. See you in chat.